Okay, we are live. All right. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today, the date is November 18th. The time is 10:49 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Eastern Standard Time. It's not the daylight anymore, Eastern Standard Time. My name is Muhammad Faisal. I'm the chief examiner at Nafi. We have with us Fahad Ali Seemab. Seemab, right? This is how you pronounce
Yeah,
your name? Okay.
yes, sir.
He is here today for his diploma in DevSysOps Engineering, EduQual Level 5, RQF Level 5 examination. The topic he has is observability and AI ops, AI-driven monitoring in cloud, multi-cloud architecture. This topic covers AI ops and observability in multi-cloud environments using AI-driven monitoring tools such as Prometheus, Grafana, and Elasticstack. This is the elusive topic that I have given to my own internal sysops teams, and and they failed me, right? So now it is now being driven by AI team who is now managing this now, right? You have to design, there are key learning objectives. You have to design an AI-driven observability system for real-time cloud monitoring, implement open source monitoring tools for detecting and responding to incidents, and automate incidents response using AI and machine learning models, right? There will be a series of questions. You have to go through the presentation. For the presentation, you will be given minimum 15, maximum up to 20, 25 minutes to go through the presentation, inshallah. Okay. After the presentation, there will be an interview, Q&A, which is going to last from, I would say, 30 to 45 minutes, right? So depending on how fast you go and we proceed, that will dictate all of these things, inshallah. Okay. Fahad Ali, are you ready? Do you have any questions
Yes.
before we proceed?
No, sir.
Okay. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Can you share your screen, please?
Sure, sir. One minute. Is the screen visible?
It is visible, yes. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. You may start now.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fahad Ali Seemab. Today I am going to give the example of Diploma in DevSysOps EduQual Level 5. Today my topic is AI-driven observability system in multi-cloud environment for multi-cloud time and for cloud monitoring using these tools like Prometheus, Grafana, ELK-Stack, together with AI and ML to monitor these by using these tools. Sorry. My table of contents are overview, architecture flow, monitoring tools, key AI techniques, implementation roadmap, key performance indicators, benefits and challenging, conclusion. Moving on to the next slide, overview. During the fast-paced environment, handling multiple cloud isn't stuff across different industry due to different cloud platforms available in the market. A lot of stuff is available to watch during the process. People normally use Prometheus, Grafana, and ELK stack for metrics, visual dashboards, and logs. Together with AI and ML, the idea is different with respect to different cloud platforms. Our main goal is basically is to save some cost, make system more reliable, visible, and performance oriented, and provide better security uh, to the by using these tools. There also are some issues. Setup implementation can be messy because we are using multiple cloud platforms together simultaneously at the same time. This is the architecture flow which we are using. for Prometheus, Grafana, and ELK stack together. Uh, Together with AI and other machine learning models for forecasting, visualizing, time series analysis, root cause analysis, uh, along with root cause analysis across different services. Moving forward to the next slide, we use these tools basically. Uh, I will disclose one by one of using these tools. Prometheus first. Its core function is to track system metrics and use memory utilization, consumption, and application response time. Its intelligent feature is one of that it identify unusual pattern in matrix behavior that indicates emerging resource constraint or performance degradation during the process. Automated response together with AI Prometheus helps notify the team when metrics suggest potential service disruption. It is basically one of the prominent tools which we are using along with AI in multi-cloud environments for real-time cloud monitoring because it provides unified observability system. Grafana, on the other hand, we use for visualization. It transforms technical metrics into visual dashboards and operational reports. Basically, we use these Grafana for forecasting purposes. Forecasting helps us to analyze historical trends to forecast potential capacity issue or performance challenges we are facing during the process. Automated response, Grafana use in Grafana, we provides early warning as it is comparing developing situations with previous ones and predict models according to it. Suggest likely sources of we help we are getting help by Grafana to solve the problems where from where it is originated basically. ELK stack along with NLP uses a large amount of data to scan because ELK stack is a completely small tool as compared to, but along with machine learning and AI techniques, we can use to sort out and scan large amount of data and apply uh, with by combining Prometheus and Grafana together, we can use this to build a unified observability system so that industry can uh, uh, develop a system where real-time monitoring can be happen. Next step we use basically every industry has different methods uh, uh, to use AI techniques. Finding early, we basically use four methods. Finding early time series analysis helps on to trace metrics. In this Prometheus helps spot unusual CPU or memory issue or error activity before it becomes a real problem. Looking ahead, Grafana basically has use as name suggests it is used for visual and visual representation of the data. Uh, Forecasting it also helps build models uh, for by visualizing and providing different data visualization to help the system uh, to show us whether it is slow down or run out of resources in the future. Smart log catching ALP plus NLP and ML reads large amount of logs to catch strange patterns because NLP and ML helps ELK to scan large amount of data sets to scan and analyze it and remove the errors accordingly. Faster problem solving rules. Cross layer is another method in which we connect data from R2 to find real cause of an issue faster across all the services we are used. Next step is an implementation roadmap. In this, we deploy Prometheus exporters across all cloud platforms. We use Alert Manager and Alert Script uh, across all uh, cloud environment accordingly. In next, we use Grafana uh, to build real-time dashboard for visualization purpose, which helps in measuring the performance of any sort of unusual activity uh, together. The next is add AI ML for anomaly detection. We use AI and ML for anomaly detection during the log scanning of the large set of logs accordingly. Next is we establish a feedback retrain loop for ML model. Basically, it is AI which is we integrate along with uh, ELP and Grafana to make forecasting of the uh, future unexpected pattern or anomaly. There are key performance indicators which we have to keep in mind uh, uh, during the process. First is mean time to detect. This simply shows how quickly team become aware of an issue. While we're using AI and ML together with these tools, we are overwatching by the AI, which helps in the system in problem to be spotted in minutes rather than in late hours. And the other one is mean time to resolve. It's not enough just to catch the problem. You have the means to fix it fast rather than slow down the process. How long it will usually takes from detection to recovery. Automation plays a big role here, cutting down delays and helping customers see their service back before they even notice. Meantime, to resolve, it's very important during the multi-cloud monitoring system. Alert accuracy. Anyone who has worked in operation know there is some sort of AI false alerts happening. This measure look at how a high accuracy rate means less noise, fewer problems, sleepless night, and more confidence in tools like Prometheus. Resource optimization efficiency is another key performance indicator which we have to keep in mind during the multi-cloud usage. Cloud bills can get out of control if resources are not managed well. This metric shows how much efficiency is gained with when AI fine-tune resources usage. Log efficiency. Log analysis efficiency is very necessary in the modern area because there are too many data sets are continuously happening throughout the process, which we have to handle automatically rather than manually. That's why it is very important to keep in mind for the log analysis. Benefits and challenges. There are some sorts of benefits and challenging that are available during the process, which you have to keep in mind. By using Prometheus, Grafana, and ELK, you can see everything in one place. Basically, logs, metric, and traces. Problem and one of the other benefit is problem show up faster because we develop forecasting models before it have happen. So fix them take less time as compared to which which uh, can guess failure before they happen. We know already we have predict the forecasting model. We can analyze it and we can develop the methods to overcome the situation before it happens. Uh, it also helps in security since it gets odd behavior. Keep models steady. The model is check things like delay, drift, and performance. These are the some key benefits which we have to keep in mind uh, during the monitoring of these tools. Challenges. Data gets split up between clouds, not easy to manage. Due to the multi-cloud environment, we are using different type of clouds. That's why we have to keep in mind that these data which we are looking for uh, are split between different clouds. That's why we have to keep in mind and maintain a unified system. It's a very challenging process. ML tools sometimes shout problem uh, because it's a machine learning tools, it's a automation. We sometimes feel difficulty uh, and face different problems when nothing was wrong because it was false alarm sometimes from AI models. Uh, Collecting info from different cloud takes time only. Uh, Due to the usage of different clouds platform, there is another disadvantage of this is that uh, it takes a lot of time and money and recovery. It's another fault is rules, governance, and privacy, which makes it more tricky and difficult for the performance of these tools. This is another picture in which we use Prometheus for scraping and storing metrics, private cloud database Elasticsearch, in which we use third-party visualization Kibana and Grafana. By using these resources, we transform by using reliability, we reduce cost, and make a very unique and unified observatory system which helps in monitoring these tools. Thank you.
Okay, just give me 1 minute, please. Let me put the scores in there.
Sure, sir.
When did you started the course?
I started the course
There
in
is something on
2020.
your camera. Can you remove that, please? Okay. Okay. So when did you started the course? Can you stop the sharing of the screen, please?
So, sir.
Okay.
I started the course, sir, back in 2024. Uh,
What month?
Probably September or August.
September?
In August or maybe September. I'm not sure.
Okay. How long it took you to prepare this presentation?
Basically, I have a lot of changes because due to AI and Sir Yusuf gave me plagiarism. As I check from other tools, it says it's okay. I move forward and it says it is not enough. It is
Asking you,
AI.
Fahad Ali, how long it took you to prepare this thing? कितना time लगा तुम्हें सब चीजें तैयारी करने में? That's what I'm asking you.
1 month, sir.
1 month. You should have spent more time, right?
Sure, sir.
Okay, so let's jump in, go through all of those things. Okay, so let's jump into the Q&A. What is the primary role of Prometheus in a multi-cloud observability pipeline?
Basically, it is used to collect traces and for metrics.
What
For
more?
monitoring purpose. For monitoring purpose.
Okay, like, is that your answer?
Yes.
The answer needs to be like this. If I look at your presentation, it's written there. The Prometheus scrapes and stores metrics from cloud workloads, exporters, and systems. In the
Sure, sir.
context of my presentation, it aggregates matrices across AWS, Azure, and GCP before forwarding insights into a centralized Prometheus setup for unified monitoring. This is
Sure,
how
sir.
you have to provide me the answer, Fahad Ali. ठीक है?
Sure, sir.
You have थोड़ी
I
सी
will
मेहनत
try.
करनी पड़ेगी. थोड़ी सी
I will
मेहनत
try, sir.
करनी पड़ेगी.
Inshallah.
Okay, this is not a good answer that you just said. Okay.
Sorry.
The next question I have is, why is ELK stack useful in a multi-cloud monitoring environment? Because this is level 5. This is not level 3. Level 5, level 3, then there's level 4, then there's level 5, and then there's level 6, right? So between
Yes, sir.
them, level 6 is the highest, right? This is level 5. I need to make
Right.
sure that when I take your exam, it needs to justify the questions, right? So why is ELK stack useful in a multi-cloud environment, monitoring environment?
Elk stack basically used to collect logs from various applications uh, in multi-cloud system through AWS, Azure, GCP. Uh, it is very helpful in collecting data from all the sources which we are using in multi-cloud environment. For monitoring purpose, it helps to integrate with Grafana and other NLP sources along with it.
You have to work a little bit harder because you have to say ELK enables log aggregation, structuring, indexing, visualization. Because logs across cloud different format and source, the way we collect them, ELK normalizes them, correlate them, and enables AI techniques such as pattern recognition and NLP-based anomaly detection, right?
Sure.
The answers are not good.
Sir, my English is actually not very good. I am working
देखो,
on it.
listen. I'm going to give you a chance कि जाओ अच्छी तरह तैयारी करके आओ. Because of
Sure.
AI tools, तुम्हारे लिए तैयारी करना आसान है, right?
Right.
You you did the presentation. Presentation बहुत अच्छी नहीं थी. Even though
Okay,
your
sir.
topic is very limited, right? Your topic, if I open your topic, right? If I just open your topic, hold on. ये तुम्हारा topic है. It's a very, very basic topic, right? But and you are fortunate to have this topic. ये topic है तुम्हारा, right? This is your topic.
All right, sir.
So if you look, key learning objective, design, implement, automate. You have to show me. तुम्हें दिखाना है मुझे,
All right, sir.
right?
Right, sir.
None of these things I've been able to see in your presentation, right? So
Right,
मुझे
sir.
बहुत अच्छी चीजें समझ नहीं आ रही. And the way you're answering the questions required you to have some time. तुम्हें थोड़ा सा time चाहिए. You need some time, right?
Sure,
It's
sir. Sure,
okay.
sir.
Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Look, you have to go back.
Sure, sir.
I'm not going to charge anything, right? ये एग्जाम मैं तुम्हारा नहीं कर सकता. अगर मैं करूंगा, if you ask me, if you move forward, you will not be able to pass the exam because you have scored 14 marks out of 25 in your presentation. You really have to score very high in order to pass, you know. And the first question you provided me the answer, you only got 0.5. तुमने एक पत्थर फेंक के आंसर दिया, ठीक है? जैसे मेरा बच्चा जो है ना आंसर करता है, इट्स ओके बिकॉज तुमने 1 महीना लगाया. यू नीड मोर टाइम. कैसे, मैं तुमको बताता हूँ, राइट?
Right, sir.
बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, डू यू वांट मी टू प्रोसीड?
No,
Are you
sir.
sure you can secure 100% in the next 9
Yes,
questions,
sir.
8 questions?
Inshallah.
You
After,
can?
no, not right now.
Okay. Because there is no way you can, in my view, but I don't know. You may prove me wrong, but I have enough firasa. I can read the face and see क्या है. अच्छे से अच्छा भी जो है ना वो फेल हो जाएगा आगे सवालात अगर जब आएंगे, राइट? मैंने देखा है
All right.
तुम्हारी प्रेजेंटेशन में बहुत सारी खामी है, राइट?
Okay,
It's
sir.
not showing the topic. You didn't copy pasted the stuff from here and there, right? It's fine. You didn't present it someone else's idea. It's fine. You're not saying we or they or etc. etc. It's fine. You're not referencing any basically any outside research. That is fine. All you're doing is, all I'm asking you is, if you look at the presentation, अगर तुम उस topic को देखोगे, right? I'm asking you some of the very basic questions, right? Saying design AI-driven observability system for real-time cloud. So how do you design? You have to show me the design. This is my grand design. This is your design. Just show me.
Okay, sir.
Use AI, AI से help लेनी है, it's fine. मगर copy paste नहीं करो, but मुझे दिखाओ कि यार हाँ, आई मीन मैंने उससे हेल्प ली. Implement open source monitoring tools for detecting and responding incidents. These are all open source, right? Elk, Grafana, Prometheus, and
Yes,
some
sir.
Dog
Open,
version,
sir.
right? Some of
Yes,
their
yes.
open source engines are available. So, bolo, this is how I implemented. This is Prometheus. This is Grafana. This is Elasticstack running, right? Automate incident response using AI and machine learning models. And then when we receive the data, this is how we're doing all of these things. बाय द वे, इन सब की लैब्स मैंने बना बना के रखी हुई हैं, ठीक है ना?
Sure, sir.
तुम्हारे पास टाइम है. इफ आई मार्क दिस एंड यू फेल, यू हैव टू पे £100 द री एग्जामिनेशन फी, एंड दैट्स अ लॉट ऑफ मनी, राइट? आई डोंट नो
Yes,
कितने
sir.
का पाउंड चल रहा है. 300 का है, 350 का, कितने का, आई डोंट नो, राइट? सो अच्छा खासे पैसे हैं. सो
Yes, sir.
माई सजेशन टू यू इज, ठीक है ना, कि तुम थोड़ा सा वो करो, प्रिपरेशन करो, अच्छे तरीके से काम करो, ठीक है?
Sure.
और फिर आओ वापस. द टॉपिक विल चेंज. यू विल बी गिवन अ न्यू टॉपिक नाउ,
Sure, sir.
बिकॉज यू कांट यूज द सेम टॉपिक, राइट? सो
Sure.
दिस इज माई रिकमेंडेशन. मे अल्लाह गिव यू सक्सेस. देखो, लिसन, आई हैव सीन ऐसे बच्चे आते हैं मेरे पास जिनको इंग्लिश भी बोलना नहीं आती, राइट? लेवल 3 पास कर सकता है वो, जोर लगा के पास कर लेता है, ठीक है ना? बट कुछ तो दिखाए ना. ही हैज टू शो मी समथिंग. यू आर वे बेटर देन देम. तुम्हारा अच्छा है. यू नो हाउ टू
Okay.
कम्युनिकेट. तुम बाहर भी रहे हो, राइट? यू टोल्ड मी,
Yes, sir.
राइट? कॉन्फिडेंस है. थोड़ा सा घबराए हुए हो तो वो हर बंदा थोड़ा सा घबराता है. इट्स ओके, राइट? वो दैट्स फाइन. बट यू नीड टू डू सम मोर प्रिपरेशन. तुम्हें थोड़ी सी और प्रिपरेशन करके आनी है, राइट?
Sure,
सो
sir.
डू सम मोर प्रिपरेशन. I need to see how do you deliver, right? And the
Sure, sir.
delivery needs to be better. Level 5, this is level 5, yeah. Level 6 में तो मैं खाल उतार देता हूँ. This is level 5.
Sure, sir.
क्लोज खाल नहीं उतार सकता, तुम्हारे बाल की खाल उतारूंगा. उसके लिए तो मैं बंदे की भी खाल उतारता हूँ ना. मैं आई नीड टू डू इट बिकॉज इट्स जस्टिस. इफ आई एम नॉट जस्ट, देन व्हाट्स द पॉइंट? ठीक है ना?
Sure, sir.
तो फिर तो सारा सब कुछ खत्म हो गया ना. देन देर इज नो, देन देर इज, इफ देर इज नो अदल, इफ देर इज नो जस्टिस, कायनात सब खत्म हो जाएगी. एवरीथिंग इज गॉन. The whole system will collapse, right?
Sure, sir.
So Allah has implemented adl in everywhere. Like there is adl justice everywhere, right? Otherwise, अगर priority दें किसी को करें, that's wrong, right? मैंने
Yes,
अपनी बहन के बेटे का एडमिशन एग्जाम नहीं लिया. मैंने कहा मेरे सामने आएगा मैं फेल कर दूंगा, अभी से बता रहा हूँ, बिकॉज आई नो हिम वेरी वेल हाउ गुड ही इज प्रिपेयरिंग. If he comes to me and if he doesn't show me and I'm going to ask him all the questions, I know I will fail him. So don't bring him to me. And I can't do justice because if I see him, मैंने इसको पाला पोसा बड़ा किया और फिर मैंने देखा तो वो मैं जस्टिस नहीं कर सकता. So it's better I should recuse myself. So I recused myself, right? मैंने कहा मैं नहीं ले सकता, ठीक है ना? मैंने उसका एग्जाम नहीं लिया, right? Even though I love my sister most, I love my sister the most in the world. उसकी मैंने, वो मुझे बहुत प्यारी लगती है क्योंकि उसने मेरे बहुत सारे काम किए हैं, हमेशा मेरी खिदमत की है. उसका नाम हना है. बेस्ट, राइट? और जन्नती औरत है वो, ठीक है ना? बट अगेन मेरे बच्चों से भी प्यार करती है, मेरे घर सब पूरा घर का ख्याल करती है. मेरी बहन जो है माशाल्लाह मेरे से छोटी है, 2 साल छोटी, राइट? और बड़ी हार्डशिप्स देखी हैं उसने, बड़ी. लेकिन अल्लाह ताला ने उसको किया और सारी जो मेरी कामयाबी है उसमें मेरी दुआएं, मेरी बहन की, मेरे माँ बाप की, सबकी, राइट? एनीवे, सो यू हैव
yes,
टू गो बैक. do preparation, come back inshallah. You will get a new topic, but go back.
Thank
Okay?
you, sir.
It is possible that by the time you get the topic and you come to me, you may only have to do the labs. I don't know. January तक देखेंगे क्या होता है. जनवरी में जब नई चीज़ आएगी, so we will let you know. So तुम्हारे MCQs के स्कोर और तुम्हारी लैब्स के बेसिस के ऊपर तुम्हारी मार्किंग हो जाएगी, राइट?
Sure,
हो
sir.
सकता है जो पुराने स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनका कट ऑफ टाइम हम रख के उनको टॉपिक्स जिनको मिल रहे हैं जा रहे हैं उनको हम दे देंगे. We will see, right? So this is my recommendation. You haven't failed the exam. I'm not marking this thing. Go back, do proper preparation. थोड़ी सी प्रिपरेशन करो, राइट? ठीक है ना? कितने कोर्सेज तुमने क्यूबरनेटिस का जब कोर्स किया तुमने उसकी लैब्स की, कैसे क्यूबरनेटिस को चलाना है, क्या करना है, डॉकर्स पे काम किया?
Dockers पर तो I would some work done.
What do you mean by some work done? What is meant by
Basically on my laptop, my machine, not on the
अच्छा
container side.
अच्छा तुमने खुद किया अपने कंटेनर्स पे अपने इस
Yes,
पे काम किया?
not on container, on my machine basically.
तुमने अपनी मशीन पे
AWS.
काम किया, ओके ठीक है. तो तुमने अपनी मशीन पे कंटेनर्स लॉन्च किए, डॉकर की
Yes,
इंस्टॉलेशन की,
yes,
मशीन
sir.
लॉन्च की, देखा तुमने क्या? व्हाट
Yes,
इज
sir.
द स्पेसिफिकेशन ऑफ द मशीन?
Right now मैंने तो अभी रिसेंटली चेंज किया है. 16 GB का मेरा रैम है और कोर 11 जनरेशन है, कोर i5.
Okay, that's good mashallah. Okay, so that's a good setup. You can run many things, right? But तुम्हें labs करनी है, labs, do the labs, right?
Sir.
There is a खातून है UK में, उसका नाम शांसे है. She secured gold medal, right? She secured 96%. सबसे highest marks उसके आए थे, right? 2 दिन पहले मेरे पास उसकी कॉल आई, देखा फैसल भाई जना मेरी जॉब हो गई, आई सिक्योर्ड जॉब, राइट? तो बड़ी खुश थी, यूके से है वो, सब कुछ. मैंने कहा बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, अच्छी बात है माशाल्लाह, ये वो सब ठीक है. सो शी सिक्योर्ड अ वेरी हाई जॉब माशाल्लाह, राइट? एंड सो उसकी जॉब बहुत बड़ी कंपनी में हुई है, राइट?
Right.
It speaks volume. When she was there, she was going for the interview. The reason I gave her 96% is when she had the interview with me, it was fabulous. So I told her, wherever you go, you will secure the job. She did the first interview, she secured the job. They are paying her very well, mashallah. 35,000 pounds. Starting AI ops engineer, right?
Right.
So you can imagine, so it is all basically evaluated through proper things. So you have to go back, evaluate yourself, inshallah, then come back to me. ठीक है?
Inshallah.
Inshallah. चलो. Jazakallah khair. Inshallah, I will see you next time. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Go and talk to
Wow.
Yusuf and ask
Okay, sir.
him to give you a new topic, inshallah. Okay?
Sure, sir.
All right.
Sure.